Alright guys, this is Andrew from 123 Cartridges. So today in our video I'm going to show you how to install the toner cartridges. So a lot of people ask me the question, what are the difference between the toner and the cartridges, the ink one. So the only difference is one of them is using the liquid and then another one is using the powder. This is the toner cartridges and this is the drum unit. So basically how this thing works is this toner inside they have the particle of chemical. So they transmit the powder into the drum system. This is the drum unit. Inside the drum unit they have a heat roller. So they will mill the powder and you will be able to print. So some people they say that you will never need to change the drum unit. This is not true. Every 2 to 3 toner you will have to replace that, and you can get it super cheap on our website. So how do you install that? It's pretty simple. Before you open it up, just every time before you use that, make sure you shake it to move to make the powder separate. It's not gonna store in one location. Okay, so like that. And once pressed, just make sure you heard the click sound, and after you will be able to smoothly insert into the printer. Make sure everything's fit and close it. This is okay. Sometimes if you're using the compatible ink cartridges, in here they might pop out the yellow line or red line. Just make sure that you will be able to print it out, because that will be okay. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments and I will see you guys in the next video. Jeez.